Hello students, my name is Professor Ashish Sattape and I welcome you all for our course Technical Accounting. Previous some sessions we discussed and understood about the accounting concepts, accounting conventions, accounting principles and assumptions. We also discussed the accounting standards which we use for our organization or in our company. We also discussed some introductory part of IFRS. We also discussed the rules, golden rules of account, which is consist the accounts, personal account, real account, and nominal account. We also discussed how we made the transaction in accounting with the help of accounting. Now, I will be covered the unit number 2 of Introduction to Tally software. In this unit, having two parts, part A and part B. In part A, following points are covered. First one, computerized accounting concept. Second one, advantages of computerized accounting. And the third one, which is difference between human accounting and computerized accounting. In part B, we covered introduction to accounting software, Tally, then different Tally versions, and the third one, features or characteristics of Tally software. So let's start the first point, which is computerized accounting concept. So friends, in computerized accounting system, it is an accounting information system that processes the financial transactions and event as per generally accepted accounting principles to produce reports as per users' requirements. Every accounting system, manual or computerized, has two aspects. First aspect is it has to work under a set of well-defined concepts called accounting principles. So, in previous some sessions, we already learned what is accounting principles and various accounting principles. Now, computerized accounting software. Computerized accounting software is the software that facilitates the company technology advances for business. So, as you all know that now we are in computerized era and each and every business activity are depend on computer. So, computerized accounting is now very essential factors in any organization for growing purposes. So, accounting applications that integrate with IT, information technology, with for the help of business operation. That's why computerized accounting is essential. Now, this is a user-defined framework. So, computerized accounting is a user-defined framework for maintenance of records and generation of reports in a computerized accounting system. The framework of storage and processing of data is called operating environment that consists of various hardware as well as software in which the accounting system works. The types of the accounting system used for determining the operating environment. Both hardware and software are interdependent. So as you all know that hardware is totally dependent upon the software and software is totally dependent upon on the hardware which we use for computerized accounting system. So both are relatively interdependent. The type of software or hardware determining the structure of the particular business organization. So further selection of hardware is totally dependent upon various factors such as the number of users of that particular accounting system. Second one, level of secrecy which they maintain in that particular organization, and the nature of activities, different activities carried in business organization. So the nature of activities are also essential while we selecting the hardware or software. So various departments, functional departments for the organization, computerized accounting is very helpful in this manner. Okay, students. Now, some of the advantages of computerized accounting are there. So the first one is the speed. Second one is the accuracy. Third one is the up-to-date information. Fourth one is automatic document production. Fifth one, management of information. Sixth one is the efficiency. And the seventh one is storage and retrieval of the information. So these advantages we learn in detail. The first one is the speed. Accounting data is processed faster by using a computerized accounting system than it is achieved through manual efforts. This is because computers require for less time than human beings in performing a task. Take an example. If in organization there are lots of transactions happen in daily basis. So suppose ABC company is there and their business is related with a trading activities. In that particular trading activities, thousands of transactions are transacted for one day. So how we record? It is possible for human beings to record all the transactions in limited time? No, it is not possible. So that's the reason computerized accounting will help for this type of situations. So that's why the first advantage is the speed. The second one is the accuracy. The possibility of error is eliminated in a computerized accounting system because the primary accounting data is entered once for all the subsequent usages and processes in preparing the accounting reports. Normally, accounting errors in a manual accounting system occur because of repeated posting of some set of original data by several times while preparing different types of accounting reports. Take an example. If ABC and company, they are recruited two peoples for the accounting purpose, and one of the people, one of the person is forget to write the accounting transaction in books maintained by the organization. So the transaction is lost. But in computerized accounting, accuracy is very important. Whenever we mention the transaction in the computer system, first we verify that particular transaction, then we prepare that basic things, and then we enter into that computer system. So accuracy is the main advantage for the business organization for using computerized accounting system. Then third one is the up-to-date information. Computerized accounting system recorded all the transaction up to date. So the accounting records in a computerized accounting system are updated automatically as and when accounting data is entered and stored in computerized accounting system. Therefore, latest information pertaining to accounts get reflected when accounting reports are produced and printed. I gave one example. When accounting data pertaining to a transaction regarding cash purchase of goods is entered and stored, the cash account, purchase account, and also the financial statements which involve trading and profit and loss account reflect the impact immediately. So, computerized accounting gives us this benefit. Whenever we record the transaction, that transaction effect automatically goes out to the other respected accounts, such as, take an example, one journal entry. If purchase goods in cash of rupees 1000, so the journal entry will be purchase account debit to cash account. So in computerized accounting system, that transaction effect goes to the purchase account and also cash account, and in automatically it impacted on your trading account also, P&L account also, and the position statement also. The next point, which is the fourth advantage of computerized accounting system, is automated document production. Most of the computerized accounting systems have standardized user-defined format of accounting reports that are generated automatically. The accounting reports such as cash book, trial balance, statement of accounts are obtained just by click of a mouse in a computerized accounting environment. But this advantage is not provided by the manual accounting. Take an example. Whenever we transact and record in the books of account, that time we have to prepare ledgers, we have to prepare trial balance with the help of ledgers. After that, for the balance sheet, for the financial position checking, we have to create trial balance and also some adjustment, and then we prepare P&L and balance sheet. But in computerized accounting, need not to prepare P&L and balance sheet because it directly get affected through a transaction when you enter the transactions correctly. Then the fifth one is the legibility. Okay, so the data displayed on computer monitor is legible. This is because the characters, alphabets, numerals, etc. It's are type written using standard fonts. This helps in avoiding errors caused by entity written figures in a manual accounting system. Now, the next point, which is the efficiency. The computer-based accounting system ensures better use of resources and time. This brings about efficiency in generating decisions, useful information, and reports. For this point, one suitable example is the banks. Now, most of the banks are using online banking, and most of the banks, they are totally computerized banking. So lots of transactions, lakhs of transactions are they connected with the daily basis. So how they operate with these all things? With the using of computerized accounting. And this will help that particular banks or any organization related with NBFC or companies or sole proprietors or any traders, this will impact it. So efficiency is one of the advantage in computerized accounting. Then the last one, which is a storage and retrieval of information or data. So the computerized accounting system allows the users to store data in a manner that does not require a large amount of physical space. This is because the accounting data is stored in hard disks, CDs, ROMs, floppies that occupy a fraction of physical space compared to books of accounts in the form of ledger, journal, and other accounting registers. Besides, the system permits fast and accurate retrieval of data and information. As you all know that past 10 years when computerized accounting is not there, that time all the companies, all the different types of organization maintain their books of accounts with paper format. But now most of the companies, with the help of computerized accounting system, they are now working paperless. So this is the one of the biggest advantage for any organization to use computerized accounting system. Now, in the next point, we discuss about the various differences between manual accounting and computerized accounting. So, here in there, I prepare one chart where three columns are concepts. One is basis of comparison. In second column, manual accounting, and in third, computerized accounting. The first one, manual accounting, the meaning. So manual accounting is a system of accounting that uses physical registers and accounts books for keeping financial records. So physical registers and account books. With the help of physical registers and account books, we maintain the records, financial records in manual accounting. But in computerized accounting, it is an accounting system that uses an accounting software for recording financial transactions electronically. So, in accounting software, using accounting software, we record all the financial records through electronic way. The second one is the recording. The second one basis of comparison is the recording. So in the manual accounting, recording is possible through book of original entry. Okay. So in the computerized accounting, data content is recorded in customized database. So in computerized accounting, you have to customize the data, then you can record in the computerized system. Then the third basis of comparison is the calculations. So in accounting, calculation is very essential factor for containing or retrieving the financial position of organization. So calculation. In manual accounting, all the calculation is performed manually. But in computerized accounting, all the data which we inputted on the computerized accounting system is directly performed by the computer system. So we need not worry to calculate each and every amount. Now the next point of the basis of comparison is the adjusting entries. Adjusting entries. So in manual accounting, it is made for replication of errors. Okay. So in manual accounting, rectification of errors are there. But in computerized accounting, it cannot be made for rectification of errors. So whenever you make an entry in the computerized accounting, that time you have to enter carefully, very carefully. Okay. Now the next point is the backup. For manual accounting, it is not possible to backup because we already maintain our books of accounts in physical way, where we contain the all written in format. Okay, and in the computer accounting system, entries of transactions can be saved and backup. So this is one of the biggest advantage for using computerized accounting system. Then the next one is computing trial balance. Okay, so in manual accounting, trial balance need not to prepare, but computerized accounting, it automatically prepared through help of daily basis. So instant trial balance is provided in daily basis in computerized accounting system, but in manual accounting system, prepare when necessary, means we have to prepare whenever we require. So that is a thing. And the last one, which is very essential point, that is comparison related with the financial statement. So in manual accounting, it is prepared at the end of the period or a quarter. Okay. So as you all know that financial statements we prepare in quarterly basis, in 6-month basis, or in yearly basis. So whenever we required, that time we prepare the financial statements. But in computerized accounting, just one click is enough for preparing financial statements. Okay, students? So in this part A, we covered concepts, advantages, and differences in manual accounting and computerized accounting. Thank you, students.